Good morning, good morning, good morning. It's Sunday, June 28th. Kevin and I both declared Sunday a mental health day. He had nothing in his shop to work on. I had very little in my shop to work on, but I got some parts in for the red BSA. So he came down and we worked on that. And while we did that, we took the right-hand rider peg off the green Triumph, and using this little diagram that I drew, I gave it to a welder and he heated and bent and bent and heated, and now I've got it being painted, and it worked out just great. It'll look just great when it goes back on the bike. Let's see, let's go back to the green bike. The client has agreed that the tires, even though they're in great shape, they are quite old, so we're going to replace the tires. He's going to take a few more days to look to see if he can find the head bolts and push rods for this guy, and if not, I'm going to go on a search for local sources. Possibly Roger might have some in stock. He buys and sells used parts, so we'll see if Roger has any, and if not, then we're just going to break down and buy new. So let's see how that works out over the next few days. Let's see what else. We got in the mirrors, they're on the bike. And we got in the tachometer cable, and that's on the bike. We got in the chokes for the carburetors, and those are on the bike. And with the high-low horn over here that puts the choke lever over here, it can't go up here because the bend here is wider than the clamp. So it has to go here. That's the way it is on a lot of bikes. There's just no room for everything up here. So we have the choke installed, the tack cable installed, the choke parts installed, and the only thing we didn't get, it's been delayed, is the new shock absorbers. And they say they're going to deliver those next Tuesday. So that's where we are. We had a good mental health Sunday. Kevin's gone home, and I'm going to call it a day. This was a good deal. It worked out really well, and this will look great when we put it on the bike. And I've run out of parts. I've run out of things to do. So that's going to be the end of it for Sunday today. And I don't know what I'm going to do tomorrow. I just might roll my RV out and take a shakedown cruise and go out and visit the newest Buc-ee's gas station out in Buckeye, Arizona. It's only about half an hour away, so good opportunity to just go out and exercise the RV a little bit. So that's where we are. That's the way it is here on Lake Griswold, where the fish are flying, the birds are swimming, and all the children are weird.